I'm Nick.
I'm Nick.
And I'm Amanda.
And this is our official submission for Coldbreak's brand new 10-tap Jockey Box giveaway.
The largest jockey box in the world.
What started as an idea on a long road trip quickly became reality. What you're seeing is our custom mobile tap trailer. Everything has been built from the ground up by our team over the last 8 months, and all we have left are some finishing touches. It has a built-in and certified electrical system powering remote-controlled LED lighting and 4 Bluetooth speakers. In the center of it all is a beautiful brass tap pipe. Our entire setup is powered by Coldbreak's 4-tap jumper box system to make sure our beer is always flowing cold and smooth. On the inside of our trailer, you can see the Sankey D keg couplers, CO2 tank, and CO2 manifold connected to our 4-tap jumper, all provided by Coldbreak. So why do we want to win the 10-tap beast? Let me tell you, what you're feasting your eyes on is a bar the first of its kind. Oh wait, let's put it together. This is our 12-foot modular bar. It is equipped with a premium speaker and LED lighting system. It's as if fate brought us to this giveaway. Our 12-foot bar is the perfect partner for the Mega Jockey because both could be set up at virtually any event.
What would we do if we won Coldbreak's 10-tap Jockey Box? We'd put it right on this bad boy.
Despite only being 2 months old, we've already been to 4 different locations in front of thousands of eyes.
Our portable bar and the world's largest jockey box paired together like beer on a Friday night.
We really hope to win the world's largest 10-tap jockey box by Coldbreak.
Coldbreak's quality and reliability will give us the ability to scale up and scale out in the way that we need. Thanks for watching.